In front of me is Realme 16 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Google. Now tap on All Services. Scroll again and this time choose Autofill with Google here. Finally, select Google Password Manager and tap on Add Password. If you don't have this option, just like I don't, that means that you never added a password before. To add them manually, you need to have at least one, so to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords is on, then go back, leave your settings opened in the background if you wish, and log in into any app or any website that requires an account. Once you do, you will see this pop-up. Make sure to hit Save at the bottom right corner, and then go back to Autofill with Google Settings. Click on Google Password Manager, and now with your first password successfully added, add any other one from here. To do it, choose Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, any website, or click on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!